Hey everyone, this is Vikram Shrestha here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify or enable YouTube thumbnail just following these simple steps. So now let's take a look at the mobile screen. So first thing first, if you don't have YT Studio app, then just go to Play Store and download it from there for free. Once you download it, just log in with your channel account and you are good to go. Now just go to YT Studio app, then select the video that you want to put thumbnail on, and now tap on the pen icon. Again, tap the pen icon and you will see custom thumbnail adding option right here. Just tap on that and it says to add custom thumbnail, verify your account on YouTube on your computer. Now just tap on learn more and it will take you to your YouTube community guidelines setting where you can verify your custom thumbnail. Now just tap on account is verified option. Once you tap on it, it will be appears like this and asks you to verify your phone number. Now all you have to do is select the step 1, that how would you like to get the verification code. For me, I have selected through the message already, and in second just put the phone number that you want to verify and you will be notified with verification code from the Google within minutes. Now simply put the verification code right here and hit the submit button. That's it guys. As you can see here, my phone number has been verified already. Now I can go to my YouTube Studio or any browser that my channel account is logged in, and I can add any thumbnail on my YouTube videos that I want. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you to verify your thumbnail on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.